Over 200 Palestinians martyred in Israeli custody. Deaths were caused by torture, deliberate medical negligence by Israeli forces, says Palestinian Prisoners Club. Israel destroys 4 Palestinian homes in West Bank. Houses belong to 4 jailed Palestinians accused of killing Israeli soldiers in August. Security forces killed 32 protesters in Iraq's south. At least 230 protesters injured in clashes with security forces in Syria. Iraq's Sadr calls his supporters to continue protest. Shia leader Muqtada al-Sadr calls to continue protest to exert pressure on Iraqi regime. UN urged to probe death of ousted Egyptian leader Morsi. Reports call on UN to launch independent probe on circumstances surrounding death of former president, ousted in 2013. Turkey inaugurates largest mosque in Djibouti. Turkish parliament speaker attends opening ceremony of Abdul Hamid Han's second mosque. Convicted terrorist behind London Bridge knife attack. Osman Khan, 28, identified as suspect in stabbing attack who killed 2, injures 3, says Metropolitan Police. 100 protests in Kabul against alleged vote fraud. Abdullah, Afghan presidential candidate, says he won't accept polls outcome amid alleged fraud and irregularities. Rohingya Muslim group says they are not Bengalis. Rohingya group condemns Myanmar rebel coalition for referring to them as Bengali Muslims. Pakistan court allows 6-month extension to army chief. Supreme Court directs government to pass legislation in order to clarify laws on extensions and reappointment of army chief. Pakistan premier praises Turkey's diplomacy model. Imran Khan asks his country and voice sanctioned in Africa to follow Turkey's diplomacy as a model. India hopes for resumption of Palestine-Israel talk. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reiterates strong support for Palestinian cause.